Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add Gmail to Windows 11 Mail app. So firstly, click on Restart. Now here type Mail. Open this Mail application. Now here click on Add Account. Select Google. Now enter your sign-in password. Now enter your mail. Then click on Next. Now enter your password. Then click on Next. Scroll down and allow. Send your messages using this name. Then click on Sign in. That's it. So like this guys, you can add add Gmail to Windows 11 Mail app. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.